Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning in to the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from a place we have not been in a long while. We are at Publix and we're about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. Now I had to come down this aisle because I needed to come somewhere that was a little bit quieter from the rest of the store, even though I don't think we're buying anything from over here, just so I could shoot this intro and welcome you to the video. But I wanted to show you some of the deals at Publix this week, even though I usually only post these on Instagram, because there's some really good deals this week on some really nice food items. And we have some really nice money makers, and I want to make sure you guys are aware of these. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So first deal we're going to grab is a nice freebie on the Swoon. So we have an aisle rebate on these for up to 3 for free, and they're on sale, buy one get one free. So I'm actually going to pick up 3 of them since they will ring out half price in my store, and then I will submit back for that rebate on 3 cans, making this a nice freebie. And I forgot to mention while I was in the store, because I am in a state where Publix buy one get one free sales ring out for half price, I only have to buy 1 item. I don't have to do the buy one get one free. But if you're in Florida, then you have to buy 2. I would actually pick up 6 of these on this deal if I was in Florida, and then you would pay $2.29 for each set of 2, but I should reimburse you for $2.29 times 3, making 6 cans free instead of 3. Al only gave me $3.43 back for mine since they were half price. We have a really nice deal on the Finish this week. I'm not going to do this deal because I don't need any dishwasher tabs. I have so many from the Walmart deals, but these are $9.69 in my store. Half price on these would be like $4.84. And then we do have $2 coupons. You can print from coupons.com, or you can use the coupons app if you want to be digital. And then we also have $1 back on Ibotta, making your final cost for this bag just $1.84. Next thing I'm grabbing is this Febreze Vibrant. So these are $7.49 regular price. We're going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $4 in cash back. And I have a $4 digital coupon that'll make this free, plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Next deal I'm going to do is a deal we had a couple weeks ago on the Too Good smoothies. So these are 10 for 10, but in front of the product we got a 65-cent coupon. And we also have $1 back on Ibotta. So for each one of these, they are going to be at 65-cent moneymaker with a limit of 5. I'm going to pick up 5 of these on my account and my husband's account, and this is going to be a $3.25 cash moneymaker on each. Next that we're grabbing is on the Springer Farms chicken. So these are $4.79 each. We got a $1.50 printable coupon that's going to make these just 89 cents per bag. That is wild. This next deal on the Bubby's Mochis is actually a little bit better if you're in Florida, because you can get 2 boxes of these completely free. If you sign up for the Bubby's email list, they will email you a coupon. Within an hour or 2, you'll get this email with a buy one get one free printable coupon. And these are on sale, buy one get one free. So in Florida, you would actually pay for one, and then this coupon would pay for the other one, making them completely free. I live in a half price state, so my cashier had to enter in the amount, and she entered in $3, even though the max value is like $7.49. So I ended up paying $1.49 each, which these are completely worth. Y'all, I'm so excited to score cheap fish this week. We are grabbing salmon for really cheap. I'm actually going to come back and do this deal again, I think. But the Maury's fish products, you can get the cod or you can get the salmon, whichever you prefer. These are 2 for $10.89 since they're BOGO this week. We do have a $3 off of 2 printable coupon. We also have insert coupons on these for like $1.25. So it makes more sense to use the 3 off of 2. You'll pay $7.89 for 2, and then you want to submit back for $3.50 on Ibotta. That makes your final cost for these $4.39 or $2.19 each. And these also counted for this wild Alaskan salmon rebate for me, which made these even cheaper. I got both boxes of this fish for under $4. Next deal we're gonna grab is some money makers on these Splenda products. So these are gonna be some really nice deals this week. Let me show you the first one that we are going to get. Let's grab the Splenda monk fruit liquid. This is $4.49, but it is also included in the buy one get one 50% off sale. We're gonna use this $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, and that is gonna leave us to pay just 49 cents for 2 of these at the register. But then we're gonna submit over to Ibotta for $4 in cash back. Gonna make 2 of these a $3.51 moneymaker. We're going to do a similar deal on the Splenda Magic Baker. So these are $8.99, buy one, get one free. So we are going to pick up two of them, and then we're going to use these $3 printable coupons from the Splenda website. At the register, we are going to pay $2.99, but then we're going to get back $4 from Ibotta on 2 bags, making these babies free plus a $1 moneymaker. Next thing I'm grabbing is on the Talenti. So these are $5.89 for two. So one of them will end up costing me a total of $2.94. We have $1.30 back on each one with a limit of 5 on Fetch Rewards. Gonna make these $1.64 each. Right, you guys, so this is my complete Publix haul for this week. I'm going to do 2 separate transactions so that I can meet the midweek bonus from my account and my husband's account on Ibotta. So we're going to split up these deals. Let's go and check out, and then we will debrief to see how this all worked out. Hey, you guys, so I just checked out. Y'all, these transactions were so beautiful. This worked out even better than I expected. I was rushing because I had to go get in the carpool lane on time, but this was so beautiful. So first transaction, I just did a little baby transaction. I got the Swoon, I got the Splenda, I got the Too Good, the Talenti. That came up to $8.61 after my coupons, and then I got back $17.79, you guys. So we got back the money from Al, $3.34. I got back $2.10 from Fetch Rewards, and I also got back $12.35 from Ibotta. $17.79 back for that transaction. That was a $9.18 cash moneymaker. Second transaction, I got everything else. So my subtotal came up to $27.61 after my coupons. And then one of my coupons was actually missed in that deal. So I had to go to customer service and get my $3 back. I got that $3 back. That brought my total down to $24.61 plus tax for that deal. I got that all immediately back from my Ibotta. Got back $26 there. And I also got back the $3.34 from Isle on my husband's account. That brought my total back for that deal to $29.34. So that transaction was a $4.71 moneymaker, bringing my grand total for everything that we got to a $13.91 cash moneymaker for these beautiful food items. We got chicken, we got fish. You guys, we got really nice food items for a $13 cash moneymaker. And even with no Ibotta bonuses, even with no Publix perks, nothing involved, this is still all free plus a moneymaker. So do keep that in mind. This is why I wanted to make this Publix video this week. So let me know if you have any questions, you guys. Let me know if you like videos like this, if you like to get the food and the grocery deals. Y'all, groceries are high right now, so I would love to do these types of videos more, but I only want to do the content that you guys want to see. So let me know if you like these types of videos. If you have a Publix and you do shop there, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.